Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition RV Macerator 12 volt pump. What this RV Macerator 12 volt pump does is it grinds solid waste into a form of liquid from the black and gray tanks of your RV. And then this quickly pumps and releases waste from the tanks so it can easily pass through the sewer hose going into the dump hole. Using a 12 volt system, this flexible impeller pump has double 4-leaf stainless blades for clogging reduction and is designed with thermal protection. Keep in mind, this is not meant to run dry, and do not pump liquids that can cause fire. Once this is roaring and plugged in, this pump runs at 12 gallons per minute, meaning it could pump out 150 liters of waste in about 3 to 5 minutes. Included with this is the water inlet valve, water inlet cover, power cord with adapter, and a very convenient on-off switch. If you have any questions about this RV Macerator 12 volt pump, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.